This video tutorial I will explain what will be the execution time with index and without index. Here you can see employee database and it has employee collection, and in employee collection more than 9,000 records are there. We will see based on employee name, we will search the particular document with index and without index and see the performance impact. Using this query from employee collection, I am going to get the documents where employee name is Joe. I am executing this query and we got one record where employee name is Joe. In this query, I am going to apply explain method. Explain method provide information on the query plan. Here we got the output. Here you can see it is doing collection scan because index is not applied on employee name field. And execution success is true. Number of records returned is 1 and execution time is 12 milliseconds, and total number of documents examined are 9,221. So it scan all the documents in the collection to return the matching record. So it will definitely degrade the performance. I am executing one more time, and this time it took 11 milliseconds. One more time, and it took 13 milliseconds. Next, what we will do is we will apply index on employee name field, and we will see how much time it is taking. Using create index method, I am creating index on employee name field. And here you can see the output, and index is successfully created. After creating the index on employee name field, I am going to search the documents based on employee name. Execute this. And here you can see this time it is doing index scan. And execution status is true, and number of documents returns are 1, and execution time is only 2 milliseconds. And without index it took around 11 milliseconds, 13 milliseconds, like that. And total number of documents examined are only 1, but without index it scanned all the documents, so total number of documents examined are more than 9,000 documents. We will execute it again. And this time execution time is 0 milliseconds. Again I am executing, and this time also execution time is 0 milliseconds. So we can improve the performance of search operation by applying index on searchable fields. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.